featured here. Marvelous Pennsylvania rock. Never-ending Pennsylvania rock. Pennsylvania rock that my feet hurt so much rock. All of that. So yesterday was a big day. First I reached 1,000 miles to Katahdin sign. And then I reached 12-mile marker. So from now on there is less than 1,000 miles to get to Magic Mountain of Katahdin. So that means that it's in 3 digits. And it means also that I have hiked more than what's ahead of me. Well, that's every minute since I've reached past the halfway point. So yesterday was a good day. Day before was a lazy day. Day before we had a Nero. Started hiking. Was a good ambition. I think the plan was 18 or something. And then reached the cooler that Jinx had left, and Jinx said that, here are some cold drinks, and my trail magic is farther up the parking lot. So that's where me and Bean Dab boys were sitting when some other hikers got dropped off. And of course, boys went ding ding. Oh, there's a vehicle. That means somebody can bring us to hotel. Somebody else had said that there's a hotel in Lakedale that has a pool. It seemed like a wonderful idea. Instead of hiking in 80+ degree weather and sweating, just be chilling by the pool. So we still kept sitting at the Trail Magic, and I had my very, very first soda on the trail. I pretty much never drink soda, but Jinx had root beer float. And not that there was a peer pressure to have a root beer float, but everybody was having one, so I kind of felt like I needed one too. And I had it. Too sweet, but yeah, I had it. And then we all got the ride in 2 separate sets, because it's 6 of us, to the hotel and spend a wonderful lazy afternoon by the poolside, just swimming and suntanning, resting feet, and all of that. So returned back to the trail yesterday morning and did, I would say, good 18. A lot of rock. What I like about Virginia is that it does have a lot of flat spots, which makes it much easier. But then when the rock starts rocking, then it's just slows you down. And since I had retired my Merrills, my original first Merrills in Harper's Ferry, and started hiking in 5 Fingers, my feet were hurting so bad. So at Duncannon I did change to new Merrills, so that's what I'm hiking in now. It is better, but still my feet do hurt. Back to the ride, I guess the person who gave us a ride originally was Uber driver, since and then he discovered that there is this breed called a hiker, and that it's actually easier for him, and he can make money more just driving us and not being associated with Uber. And of course, that's when it's in a season. That's when everybody's going to Maine, and just while the bubble passes. But it felt good that, we were contributing to his livelihood, and whatever he gets all stays with him instead of sharing and all of that. Yeah. What else happened? Yesterday's tent site was gorgeous. It was right on the side of the creek, stream, river, whatever it would be called, was the small waterfall. Then we all had a breakfast, like sitting right by the waterfall in the morning. Very gorgeous. And today is a good hike again, like almost 18. I think it will be 17.9 to get in Port Clinton. And I have, sorry, I'm trying to navigate rocks over here. Meeting with one of my classmates, one of my schoolmates, Donna. She lives somewhere in Pennsylvania, and she's coming out to meet me and so I have to push to get to Port Clinton by 5-6 the latest. So I will be hopping and rocking all day today, going to Maine.